Hey guys. Okay, let's see. So now it is time for the other O2 sensor. So I realized with this one that, technically I didn't need to take this one out because this one's attached to the exhaust manifold, not the cat. So could have just left it in, but I guess I did end up wanting to replace both of them anyway, so it worked out. Sorry, I know you guys can't see. Man, this one's tricky. Things are so weird with the cables attached. They like resist screwing in just because the cable wants to twist the other way. No, it's not even going in. Not even making any progress. Should we twist the cable with? No, it just wants to like... Okay. I got an idea. So I feel like the cable's just getting all bunched up. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist it a bunch the wrong way. See, so that when I twist it the right way, it untwists. So I'm just going to twist it counterclockwise a bunch. Dang. It's a gnarly spot. Oh my gosh. This is killing me, guys. I'm dying over here. So I run the cable this way. Here, let me show you what I'm like fighting with here. So when I screw this guy in, the cable just gets all twisted like that. So I'm gonna try to thread the cable back so it has space to unwind. Seems like the problem is that it's right up there against the suspension. See, look at that, you can see it like O2 sensor twisted in on the other side. Okay. It's in, so now let's grab a wrench. Alright, there we go. We'll give this socket thing a second chance. I wish I could get another hand in there. Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright. Finally. Okay. That's good and tight. So you can see what I did there. Oops. So I just got my socket wrench on it. And I'm sorry it's so dark. But that's the O2 socket. I'll detach the thing now. Alright. Lord have mercy. Okay. Ready to plug this baby back in. Oh yeah, and it looks like I can untwist that, right? Okay. So, exhaust manifold, O2 sensor, and then you see that little empty black socket up there. So this guy's gotta go. So, a little black tab on the outside. I need those two hands. Ah, there we go. Click. It's clicked in now. I have to go back and check my video and make sure I'm doing this right, because I don't want to thread this cable through here the wrong way. This is like the suspension and stuff. It's all moving around. Okay, so last little step is there's this little blue pull tab, and get that guy slid through there. Oh, all right. It's like once I get my hand up there, I can't see anything anymore. Now I think I can see. I can almost see. Oh my god, guys. Alright. I gotta come back to that or I'm gonna lose my mind. Okay, I'm back. Took a couple minutes to calm down. Also found my mechanics gloves. I'm super stoked about that because my hands are getting wrecked in here. And then I went and confirmed that yes, this is how the cable goes. I've got it right. And last of all, I'm going to try some needle nose pliers here. See if that helps me get that pin back in. It's not, you wouldn't think it would be hard to get this thing back in, but it's just a little tricky to keep it lined up. Yeah, and then you can't see it when you're trying to push on it. So let me see if the needle nose pliers let me, maybe they'll let me get a better view. It's not looking like it. If I could just hold that from the back. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, son of a bitch. There we go. Oh, that did it. All right. Cool. I got that little linchpin back in there. Needle nose pliers did the trick. Awesome. Okay, so we replaced this O2 sensor, got our studs on here, got the new gasket on. Show you what I was just looking at. Yeah, so I think it's time to put the cat in. Let's do it.